got a delivery. What's up guys, my name's Luke from Arch & Wood, style consultancy and pre-owned menswear store. It's super bright in here, it is insane. So today I've got a bit of an unboxing for you. This is something that's not going in the store, I believe, at time of speaking. So, I mean, I'm going to try them on. I was a little bit unsure if I was ever going to pull the trigger with these because, you know, quite late to the party. So, these are our Legacy Camion Boots in black leather. I've wanted these for ages. I've had these for a while. I've got these suede Cuban heel our Legacy boots and I absolutely love them. The quality of them is amazing. I love the cut. They're just sick boots. I absolutely love them. But sometimes I want to wear something in black. Sometimes I want something without the cowboy connotations and the attention that comes with it. And along with the heel as well. So I thought I'd go for these. These are pre-owned. And I'm pretty excited to see what they're going to look like. I've not tried these on before, I've not held these in person before, so I thought I'd go for a little unboxing, try them on, see how they fit. If I'm not a fan of them on me, I know I'm a fan of the boots in general. I've seen enough photos with them and like fit pics and things like that, so I know I like the boots. But if they're not right for me, then I will put them on the store for like what I bought them for, pretty much, which is what I tend to do, because these didn't come cheap. These were over £300 off the top of my head, I can't remember exactly, so it's not like they're cheap. But yeah, let's open the box. Right, let's get to it. Oh shit. Okay, so I didn't know they came with a box, so I was quite flagrant in my abuse of that knife, and I have scratched the box, so that is my bad. Normally not that reckless. Check out the box. My bad. Boom. Nice little shoe bag. Shoe bag per shoe. Yeah, these bad boys. So they do have quite a big heel still. They're very like motorcycly. And the soles are a little bit scuffed up. They haven't been used that much. As you can see, they're vibrant rubber. So right. The leather smells pretty damn good. Yeah. So as you can see, pretty good condition. There's obviously some marks. If these have been worn at least once, then you're going to get that. But you know, with leather boots, the patina, the wearing them is what you want. The sole's in pretty good nick. Hardly worn. Yeah. You see, what I really like about them is they're just relatively slim. They're just the right proportions. I don't like anything too bulky. I don't like anything too chunky, but I do want something with a bit of heft, especially if you're going to wear them with wider leg jeans and stuff. These have some heft to them. As a man who's 5'8", I appreciate a little bit of a hill. It's never a bad thing. I'm not trying to trick anyone out there, but you know, marginal gains. A bit of a square toe to them as well, which I quite like. It's like a rounded square toe, so I think too extreme. And out there, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so far, super impressed, but let's try them on. Okay, first press, they fit really well. Okay, so here's my first impression with these. Super happy. They are chunky. They're going to take a bit of getting used to because they're way more chunkier than what I'd normally wear. And the reason for that, look, I'm 5'8". Having something too chunky on your feet can really make you look a little bit shorter than you actually are, even shorter, or draw attention to how short you are. Whichever one you prefer. So I don't want them to be overly chunky, but I think they're okay. I've played them with some vintage Levi's, a Drake's linen overshirt with a vest underneath. I'm kind of feeling it. So, super impressed with these. I had a little walk around with them, and yeah, they feel good, they're comfortable. The leather feels super soft, but also like it's got a good thickness to it, so it's gonna like patina, it's gonna wear well. The Vibram sole is super thick and heavy, but not like too heavy to wear or anything like that at all. So yeah, I'm just a big fan of the like simplicity of it. I like the size of them. They're kind of like a perfect black boot. But yeah, let me know what you think, guys. Do you like the boots? Do you like our Legacy in general? Check out our store archonwoods.com for pre-owned menswear. We've also got some of our Legacy pieces in there. There's one really nice linen blazer in there as well from like it's like an archive piece from like 2013. Also, if you are interested in personal styling at all, for anything from like 1-on-1 hour sessions online to a full wardrobe overhaul, so check out archonwoods.com for that. Also, please remember to like and subscribe because it really helps me grow the store and the channel and everything. And yeah, if you have any questions, hello@archonwoods.com, @archonwoods on the socials, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Cheers.